Stop 8 is the bridge over Bells Mill Road. This bridge was built around 1820, so it's been in service for about 200 years. It's a major conduit through Wissahickon Valley, and it has a reduced limit of about 3,000 pounds. We're going to look at several of the reasons why it has a reduced load limit. Start by looking across the bridge. You can see some graffiti, and behind the graffiti you can see that pieces of the facing stone of the abutment wall have fallen out. This is called spalling, and when the facing material spalls off the face, it allows the material behind it, the retaining wall backfill, to start to erode out. So this is one example why the load limit has been reduced. Also pay attention to the condition of the stream channel. If we have had flooding recently, you may notice that there's a lot of debris in the channel and that there are sometimes logs in here, and they can bang up against the bridge and cause damage to it. Today there isn't much in the stream. Looking on the Forbidden Drive side of the bridge, you can see an example where there is seepage coming through the face of the wall. What this means is that water has built up in the backfill behind the wall and it's finding its way out. When we build retaining walls, we typically put weep holes in so that this water can drain out. But after 200 years, those weep holes are probably clogged, and so the water is finding its way out from behind the wall. This is another reason why the load limit has been reduced, and it's also an indication of the next feature we're going to look at, but we have to get up very close to the wall to be able to see it. So once you've come up close to the wall and look down it, you can see there's a big bulge in the wall. This is likely due to the increased pressure from the water that has built up behind the wall, and the combination of water and soil is probably more than the capacity of the wall that it was designed for. So the wall responds by bulging under this additional load.